Wait, do I say something?
Yes, sir.
Hi guys, today it's me again, and do you know I rewrapped this pigeon? Now I'm gonna open it today. So, I'm gonna open this one. This is the number. What is that in this? Good job! I'm gonna open it now. Oh. Hey, you and what, guys? Good job for that. This is a squishy one. Look, you got squishy here. And then you open it. But yeah, open it. Do you remember what's hiding these ones? Good job, guys. Yeah, I don't know. Good job. You know, it's the same thing. No, I know. Good job, guys. You got it right. It's a squishmallow. Now I'm gonna open it. Oh, this is so cute. It's like so. Oh yes, I got this one! Yay! I would want that one as well. Now I'm gonna open this one, guys. This is my favorite one. I'm so excited to squeeze it.
You open the third one.
Ooh, okay. Ooh, let's see, guys. We're squeezing now.
Ooh, the brain.
It's a brain. Yeah. This is so cool. This is so.
That's the good one.
Yeah, because it's really squishy. Whoa! Purple. Say color. Yellow! What's this one?
Wait. Let's see. What is this one? Yeah.
It's because of that. Oh, okay. That's so good. Can I squeeze it now? Mom, I want to squeeze it.
Wow.
Whoa!
Okay.
That's really fun.
So this is the 10-pound toy.
Yeah, and this one.